Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here is the video tutorial that you all requested for the Candyland inspired nail. Very similar technique, well exactly the same technique as the mermaid marble tutorial, which I'll link in the top corner if you haven't seen it. But getting straight into the tutorial, I actually forgot to film what colours and stuff I've used, so I will pop them down in the description box below for you all so that you know what exact Magpie gel colours that I used for this design. But same technique as before, so I'm just taking my Magpie detailer brush, the green handle, I'm just dipping into all these different colours and sporadically placing them on the nail. Filling all the gaps of the nail in first and then going back and forth to blend all the colours together. You can use whatever colours you want really. This design can be adapted to so many different colour palettes, but obviously I done like the mermaid inspired one, and then I decided to go for like your pinks and your purples and your yellows. So I'm just going to leave this on the screen for you to watch. You can just see what I'm doing. I'm just adding all the colours in, mixing them together until you are happy with the design, and then obviously you're going to pop it into your Magpie lamp and cue it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going in with Love and Linda glitter, and I'm just tipping that into the lids and using my Magpie silicone tool. I'm just placing that glitter onto the nail, again wherever I wanted to, where I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle, just going back and forth and popping that glitter onto the nail, and then I'm going to pop that in the lamp again to cure for 60 seconds, just so that that glitter is held in place onto the inhibition layer. Then when you bring it back out the lamp, I'm going to just use my Magpie duster brush, and I'm just dusting off any excess glitter that perhaps hasn't stuck, and then I'm going to take the Magpie Give Me Strength and I'm just coating the whole nail with that, and then I'll be popping that back into the lamp again for another 60 seconds. And then when that comes out the lamp, you're going to give it a wipe with some prep, and then I'm taking Fresh as a Daisy. So with this, I'm just creating little blocks on the nail before using my dotting tool and Give Me Strength, and I'm just going to be popping the little dots onto the Fresh as a Daisy. This way the Give Me Strength is gonna bloom in Fresh as a Daisy, so you're gonna have that bubble effect. So that's what I'm doing here, and then when I'm happy with the design, how many bubbles I have, and the placement, I'm just taking my Magpie Illustrator brush, and obviously clean, and I'm just going to be going onto the nail and just swiping some of these bubbles away, just because I want it to be a little bit thinner and I didn't want it to look so blocky. So I just took my Illustrator and I just kind of wiped them away, and then after I'm happy with everything, again I'm going to be popping that into the Magpie lamp and curing for another 60 seconds. So once that I've come out the lamp, we're just going to coat it with Give Me Strength again, and you're going to pop it back into the lamp to cure. And whilst it's curing, we're just taking a little bit of Iris from the Too Faced collection, just mixing that in again with some Give Me Strength with the Magpie dotting tool. I'm just going to be using my Illustrator brush now just to apply that onto the design. Again, wherever you want to. I'm just like filling in some lines and some gaps, and then again you're going to pop that back into the lamp to cure, and then when that comes out we are going to coat it again with some Give Me Strength, and then you're going to cure that again. Then once your last coat of Give Me Strength is all cured, we are going to wipe it with some prep, and then you are going to just buff it if you have any type of lumps or anything, or bumps. I just used the Magpie 240, I think it was the 240 or the 180 buffer, just to smooth over the surface, and then I just went in with Don't Be Tacky as my top coat, and cured that for 60 seconds. And then that is the design complete. Very quick tutorial today, guys. Sorry if it seemed a bit rushed, but I wanted to get it up ASAP for everybody who requested it. So all the products used will be in the description below if you wanted to know. And if you do recreate this design, please tag me on Instagram at Pretty Miss Nails and Beauty. I can't wait to see your designs. I really hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!